Good morning, guys. I'm just setting up everything for the live. I will be looking at everything. Just give me a moment to set everything up. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're about to have a great week. We're about to have an amazing day. Damn, thank you so much for the rose. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning, guys. I'll be right back. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. So we're going to be trading the 0DTE contracts on the SPY. Today and this week in general is just not a week to be overly aggressive with any position sizes, in my opinion, because Wednesday we're going to have the federal funds rate, and then Friday once again we're going to have Fed Powell giving a speech. So he's giving two speeches this week, and there's a lot of macroeconomic news that is going to be very it's all going to be really weird this week, in my opinion. IV might be very high as well, so things can be very choppy and range bound today or this week in general. So we just have to be very patient. It's going to be fun. Do I work for the government? No, I do not. All right, make this. Tesla is taking a taking a tumble here. All right. I'm gonna go long SPY 382.40 as a stop. 382.40 as a stop. Light position. God damn, what the hell is going on? What the hell? This is skyrocketed up in less than a minute. That is that's good. Wow. So make sure you guys are taking profit. Obviously, this has jumped up very, very quickly. We're gonna still maintain that stop loss, but within a minute, it just shot up. So I hope you guys entered, because this was a very, very fast mover. So we entered on this candle. It shot up very, very quick. I was not expecting that so quickly, but the contracts are up pretty nicely. Depending on when you entered, everyone should be up at least like $20 per contract at this point. So make sure you guys are taking profit, not allowing this to go red. I mean, I'm not complaining, but all right, let's see if we can get some more good opportunities. Let's see if this drops back down to 383. But yeah, essentially do not allow this to go red, and make sure that you guys are taking profits. So yeah, there's going to be more plays, guys. Don't force. Yeah, guys, don't force any plays. This is the first play of the week. So just take it easy. Be patient. 383 needs to hold, basically. Right now for the SPY, 383 needs to hold. You could go long again right now, 383 as a stop. You could go long right now, 383 as a stop loss. If 383 holds, then this is going to see 385 very soon. But yeah, there's good consolidation from Apple. The rest of the market, the IWM is showing strength. Tesla is skyrocketing as well. So this should be a continuation to the upside. So, okay. Tesla is making new highs. Apple is breaking out of its range. But yeah, so we're at resistance now. So don't go overly aggressive to the long side. We got in pretty nicely before this happened. So now 383 needs to hold on the SPY. If we can hold, then we'll continue to the upside. But many people are going to make the mistake of going aggressively long at resistance. Our job right now as traders is we have to trade intelligently. We should only be going long at support or on breaks of momentum to the upside. So the original contracts are now up. They're now almost 20%. you're only holding one contract, you guys know what to do. Oh crap, I didn't realize. Screen, sorry about that. The longer it takes us to break above this resistance, the worse. Because currently we're not sitting at support, right? 383 is support, but right now we're consolidating at resistance. This is not what we want to see as traders. The longer it takes here, the better shorting opportunity this becomes. So make sure that you guys have taken profits. You're not holding anything aggressive to the long side, because the longer this takes right here, it can be a very, very aggressive move to the downside. So make sure you guys are just aware of that, all right? We need a big move within the next minute or two, or else this is going to really, really fall to the downside. So that's why it's important you guys take profit. Make sure you guys keep this position to remain in profit. There will be more plays. There will be more plays. Do not get greedy. Apple is cracking down lower. Tesla, big red candle. Let's see if we can consolidate here at support. Wow, nice tight triangle being made right here. This, like I said, guys, this is starting to look unfortunately, this is starting to look kind of bearish. If they can't hold this level, this is setting up to be a really, really good shorting opportunity. You're gonna have to see. I would have liked us to retest 383 already. Apple made an about face to the upside. It had 3 big red candles and now it's back to where it was. Essentially, it looks like it's about to make a new high of day. Let's see how that gets translated into the rest of the market. Tesla had that big red candle consolidated and is also bouncing. But it's not a good sign that we're taking so long. So this looks like we can end up falling below 383. Maybe getting a wick to 382.80 and then bouncing from there. But if this holds, I'm not complaining. Tesla new high of day. Contract values are holding up very, very nicely. Apple almost a new high of day. SPY new high of day. Very, very nice. Yeah, we need a break above 384. This is obviously, it doesn't seem like a rational move. So you guys should be taking some profits. And if you guys are holding more than one contract, this week in general is a time where you should not be greedy. You should not be greedy on anything. Take profit, see profit sort of week. So the original contracts are up over 20%. You guys should be up easily over 20% at this point. It's almost up 30%. Very freaking nice, man. Very, very nice. If you guys went long again over here with 383 as a stop loss, those contracts are up at least $20 as well. Multiple little 10-15% plays that you guys could have easily just taken if you have smaller accounts. And that's what it is. Apple 150 is very, very major resistance on Apple. 384 is very, very major resistance on the SPY. This 287.75 level is very, very important on the NASDAQ as well. So now, all right, so look, essentially everyone that, so look, you don't want to be going long. You don't want to be going long into this strength already, right? Because what they could easily do is just rip it right back down. And ideally what you want to be safe is you want to be going long at the prior level of resistance. Hold up. Damn, these contracts are up. The second play, these contracts are up 20%. The original contracts are up almost 40%. Ooh. Yeah, make sure you guys are taking profits and not allowing this to go super red. And yeah, perfect. Look for new plays. Easy money. 150 is acting as resistance on Apple. 384 is acting as support. Cool. Ideally, what bulls want is a retest of 383.60, so they could load back up into more. But these two levels, this 384 level and this 383.60 level, oh my god. What a start to the week. What a start to the week. The proof is in the pudding, man. The proof is in the freaking pudding. Congratulations to everyone that took. Congratulations. Yeah, man. It is what it is. This is what we do. Wow. That is a pretty insane move. All right, so we're clearly at 385, 386, 387. As we get closer to those levels, that's like very, very close. That's like very, very major levels of resistance. "13 minutes into the day, two nice little plays. Very, very nice. Oh, man. Make sure you guys are taking profits. Bulls want 384 to hold as support. And then ideally 383.60. If you guys made money today, can I see some ones in the chat? It's going on TikTok. So just drop a bunch of ones. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you. Thank you guys. So I stream on TikTok, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and Instagram. So oh my goodness. All right. This is the second buy is up 20 or 30%. It's crazy. New high of day on everything. SPY needs 385, but make sure you guys are taking profits, letting runners ride. The only time you would want to close out of runners is when major levels of support are broken. So just the contracts are up about 50 and 30% respectively. The original contracts we bought were up 50%. And if you bought again over here, repeated it 2 times, you could go along with a 383 stop loss. Those are up 30. Now is not the time to enter anything. I'm not sure if I'm on a delay on TikTok. On Twitch, there's a 2-second delay, but then on YouTube there is at least a 10-second delay. So I would recommend everyone watching on YouTube to watch it on Twitch on your laptop, computer. We bought in twice. So if you guys are late to the stream, we bought in 2 times already. So we bought in the first minute, and then we bought in during this consolidation. So we bought in twice already, and now we're just holding on to runners. The initial position that we entered was up 50%. Afterward, the second position was up 30%. So now we're just holding on to runners. The market seems like it's bouncing off of support, which is logical. No, this is not copy trading. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. The options market is extremely volatile. You must do your research before entering such a market. So yeah, this is a 1-minute chart of the SPY. Oh, I like the ones. Yes, I will drop the link of the Twitch. Give me 1 second. But yeah, also guys, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post recaps, and I post market analysis on the daily as well, after hours. But yeah, guys, everyone that's new here, if you guys are watching the no, now is still not really the time to go long. It's not safe. In my opinion, it's much safer right now to go short, but I'm not entering short. We're holding on to our runners because we're already long. It is what it is. We can continue going higher, but it makes more sense to go short with a tight stop loss at high day, but I'm not doing that. The momentum is clearly bullish. There's buying pressure to the upside. Pragmatically, so far, they have rewarded bulls. So yeah, so everyone that's watching the live from the For You page, make sure to click in. We're doing something here that your paid group leaders don't even do. So make sure to double tap the screen, show some love. We're forcing the industry to increase its quality. And the proof is in the pudding. You guys probably saw my video on TikTok. You guys probably saw, oh, this guy, oh, he just shows his losses. Oh, I mean, he just shows his wins. Oh, I'm trading live in front of you guys. So proof is in the pudding, baby. So this chart is tradingview.com. I would not recommend scalping or doing what we're trying to do right now on Robinhood or Webull. So ideally, you guys should be doing this on another brokerage. Interactive Brokers, TD Ameritrade, anything other than those. Wow. Apple new high of day 150.5 is very, very important resistance on Apple. These contracts are up. Nice. All right. The original contracts are up almost 60%. Damn, Apple is showing a lot of strength. If we can get a break and hold above 150.5, that would be really, really. Nah, this strength doesn't seem sustainable. Don't get. If we start skyrocketing here, I would actually be very, very surprised. So just be very, very careful. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. The live went out. But I would just be very, very careful going aggressively long here. I would be really, really surprised if we end up making making new highs, but I am not complaining. Wow. That is really, really interesting. So make sure if you guys are holding. This is wild. Yeah, so we're trading the 0 day to expiration contracts on the SPY. So we're trading the options on it. Yes. Damn. Contracts are up over 60% and almost 40%. What the? I was not expecting that. Everyone that shorted the top got ripped to the upside. So uh-oh. I want to go short. Damn, but it's not a safe play. We already made a lot of money. We'd be fighting against momentum. This is literally something that I tell you guys not to do. But let's see. This is I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy strength that we've seen so far. I hope you guys entered. I hope you guys made some money. All right. Damn. This would have been a really, really perfect shorting opportunity, but once again, the strength is really, really strong, obviously. So, it's not. Let's see. Let's see if they reward bears. The link to my Discord is in my bio. Jeez, man. Wow. Damn, I really want to go short with a high day stop loss. But IV is not that high. Still holding on to runners, but yeah, whatever. It's not safe. Let's not force anything. But damn, this looks like a really beautiful short. But it's just not. I don't feel it. Let's look for the next day. Yeah, these are the one. This is the 1 minute chart. All right, everything is at support now, essentially. Let's see if this level can hold for everything. The NASDAQ is trading below support. 288, 288.40 is very, very important for the NASDAQ. We cracked below that. So, market needs to rip up here. This needs to hold. 384.5 needs to hold, or else we're gonna make new lows. Well, not new lows, sorry. We're gonna just continue falling lower. But I'm gonna go long 384.5 as a stop. Going long 384.5 as a stop on the SPY. Very, very risky. This is super risky because obviously this is bearish momentum. The market is obviously falling. I wanted to go short, but now that we've fallen to support, it makes sense to go long. So let's just see. Let us see if this works. Apple new high of day. Sitting at resistance though. 151 is very important resistance on Apple. The NASDAQ is coming back to retest 288.4. Things are holding above 384.5, which is what bulls wanted. And now, yeah, that's it. Trade is a trade. Let's see if it works. I should have a thing that shows which positions that I'm in. That would be really, really good. If I just have like a box that shows, okay, I'm currently in SPY calls here, here, and here, whatever, blah blah blah. It'd be easier for people that just come onto the stream to be able to see what we're currently holding. Apple is just ripping to the upside. 151 churned through like butter. The NASDAQ reclaimed 288.4. Okay. All right. Should have just went short. Should have just went short at the top. All right, I'm gonna close out of these calls. The 384.5 ones, because clearly that did not work. Now we're at an even better level of support. But yeah, there's no point of forcing any plays. Let's just wait. So what we could have done differently is essentially this big wick to the upside was very bearish. In hindsight is 2020 obviously, but then with a huge wick to the upside that didn't work, with a big red candle right afterward, we could have easily just went short with a high of day stop loss or any of these levels of resistance over here, and it would have been a nice solid tight little trade. But so far, let's see if 384 can hold. Doesn't really look too good though. It looks like we could be forming a head and shoulders. Not a safe time to go long. It's a very tight stop loss with 384 as a stop, but the momentum is still very, very bearish. So this could be a good longing opportunity with 384 as a stop, but I would much rather see some strength coming out of the market. Held support pretty well. See if 385 can be reclaimed. Wow, they just gave an amazing little small opportunity to just go long at very tight support, and they continued it upward. Bears were going short this entire way up, and then they ripped it to the upside. Let's see. I'm gonna go short 385 as a stop. This is risky, so don't. 385 as a stop on the SPY. Momentum is clearly bullish right now, but yeah, whatever. Trade is a trade. Let's see if this works. $385. Everything is failing right at resistance. Off of this big red candle, they got every. So look, they can just start chopping this around between this little tight range here for the next few minutes, but it makes no logical sense for people to be bullish after this big red candle. But everyone that went long at 384, those are the people that MMs are going to try to target. This is the 1 minute time frame. All right, everything fell right back down to support. Tesla is holding support. Yeah, this looks like it's just gonna chop around here or rip to the upside. All right, I'm gonna sell these break even. Everything held support, ripped up. Let's see if we can get another opportunity to go short. 385 as a stop. I'm gonna go short again. 385 as a stop. I'm just gonna keep on targeting short as we hit resistance levels. Things are still showing a lot of weakness. This is gonna be a tight stop. All right, there's a big green candles. It's obviously not a good sign for being bearish. We're just gonna wait for a close above 385. Close out. Everything is just tapping on resistance. Apple is breaking above resistance though. The NASDAQ is holding support really well. Tesla is holding support really well. They're making it very, very difficult to go short, but everything is literally sitting at resistance. That was a very bullish candle. This is a very bullish candle. All right, I'm gonna sell out of these. Go long 385 as a stop. Going long 385 as a stop on the spot. Let's see if this holds now to the upside. 385 is a stop loss for longs. Clearly a lot of strength. We have to adapt. And a trade is a trade. We closed above 385. Now we're holding 385 as a stop loss for our longs. Okay. Let's see if we continue ripping up to the upside. Nice. That's sick. Wow. New high of day. Let's see if we continue going higher. This was super strong. NASDAQ new high of day. Apple, Tesla is not yet out of high of day yet. Apple churned up. Ridiculous strength. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, cool. All right, so make sure you guys are taking profits. Contracts are about $15. I'm gonna go short 386 stop on the SPY. 386 stop loss on the SPY. Very, very, very risky. Obviously, we caught this move, whatever, to the upside in the past few minutes, but I'm going short. Ooh. All right, nice. Moving quick. Contracts. All right. Contracts are about 10%. But this wick is not good. All right. See if this falls lower. That's a textbook short. So basically, even if this doesn't work out, this was a textbook shorting opportunity. You have to take these. Everything came to major level of resistance. 2 major wicks here, and you just simply go short with a stop loss at the upper wick. Tight trade. Unfortunately, the market is showing a lot of strength, so we're not getting a capitulation to the downside. And this big wick to the downside and the continued green candle would be very, very bullish. So let's see how this candle closes. Contracts are up pretty nicely. Damn. Apple is bull flagging at resistance. Yeah, make sure you guys don't allow this to go red. Make sure you guys don't allow this contract to go red. That's the main thing. You can either make sure it doesn't go red, or you could be loose and have a stop loss at high of day. But this is looking strong. This looks like this is the one opportunity that they have right now for it to break upwards. So things are literally bull flagging very, very nicely. This is going to be one of the most important points for bulls for the day so far. Apple is at major resistance at 151.5. But the NASDAQ is holding very, very well above support, 288.4. You can see the indecision. You can see the last few minutes have barely moved. Any of these candles barely moved. Because the market is just in a position where it needs to make a decision. It's literally it's the same concept. Everything is at support, but it's failing at resistance. So the contract should be up almost like 15% for you guys. 10-15%. We went short with a high of day stop loss. Very, very simple, easy trade to make. And it is what it is. Like, it was perfect. Regardless of whether this trade worked or not, it was a perfect textbook play. Literally, in the future, you guys can always take plays like this. So you guys should have easily made at least 15-20% on these contracts so far. If we get a break below 385, this is gonna be a beautiful little move. Oh man, nice. Contract should be up easily 20% for everybody. Ooh. Over 30%. Beautiful. All right, so now 384.70 is a major support. That needs to break, and then we can really start breaking. And then the next target would be 384. But yeah, now is really, really not the time to go short, because we're at support now. So now is not the time to go short. Just be very, very careful. We already made a big move to the downside. Like I said, you want to go short at levels of resistance. You want to go long at levels of support. It is what it is. Trading is trading. There are going to be some plays that we don't win, but it's always, always very important to mitigate your losses. You're never going to be right on every single trade, but it's important to mitigate your losses and move on. So I'm doing this live in front of you guys. Obviously, I'm cognizant of the fact that, you know, there's people that are watching, and obviously I don't want people to lose, but you have to be okay with the fact that, all right, there's going to be some trades where you just won't win. If you dwell on it, then you're never going to be able to move on and make a better play. Wow. This is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. Everyone should be up at least 30-35% on these puts. All right. So far so good. At least we got this short. If we missed this short as well, I would have been pretty upset. Because I wanted to go short over here, and then we ended up getting short, I don't know, somewhere late. But it was good. We caught this short perfectly. Very, very nice. Thank God. Let's see if this can hit 50% on these puts. Now is not the time to enter into any puts. All right. Wait for a retest of resistance before entering any puts. I hope everyone in the Twitch and the YouTube chats are doing well. Sorry I'm not giving you guys as much love, or like, you know, in general, sorry I'm not responding to everybody in the chats. The market is a very volatile monster today. Just making the most out of it. Um, no, I'd be careful about going short. This isn't strong enough to go short, in my opinion. Ideally, you would want to go short above or closer to 385.30. That would be a safer opportunity to go short. Right now, they could easily just rip it up. It's way too close. In the market, like, you know, it's still way too bullish. We're holding these levels of support. It's not a good opportunity. It's not a good time to go short right now. If this works though, then that is going to be very, very weak. I would be surprised. Yeah, we're getting a little bounce. Makes sense. Understandable. Everyone that's looking at the TikTok live stream, make sure you guys enter in, drop some likes, and show some love and support. My Twitch is twitch.tv/Hamid Trades. It's the same username. Thank you guys for the likes. 1.7k likes. Nice. Nice call. Thank you, UB Squish. Yeah, so like I said, it wasn't a good opportunity to go short. Way too much strength. You could go short with it. I'd be careful now. Tesla is almost making a new high of day. The IWM is showing strength. The NASDAQ is showing strength. We could get another minute of green, and then we can see if we want to go short again. I want a nice, strong, big green candle. And then ideally a close above 385.6. Let's see. This is tradingview.com. We're trading the 0 DTE expiration, 0 days to expiration contracts on the SPY. So whenever I say that I'm going long, I'm buying the closest at the money calls. Whenever I say I'm going short, I'm buying the closest at the money puts. All right. Damn, this is really difficult for me to go long here. It's also difficult to go short. Interesting. Very. Tesla, new high of day. NASDAQ is holding 288.4. Momentum clearly on the 1 minute is bullish. This is obviously a bullish move. So far for the day, this is obviously a bullish pattern. So we've got a C. Damn, we have to go long, I guess. We're gonna have to go long like a 385.4 stop. It's still not. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we can get a big explosive move to the upside, but this is still showing weakness here. So if we go long, we're basically just betting that 384.3 can hold the support, and that we're gonna have an aggressive move to the upside above all of these levels of resistance, which I am not sure if that's possible at this point. Makes sense to go short right now with a high of day stop, but that is the logical play to make. But these support levels can easily be holding, and they could just be bear traps. Mm. Go, go long again here. 385.3 as a stop. Yeah. Mm. We're gonna have to short now. Yeah. We're holding support very well. Hmm. Tesla is tapping a new high today. Apple is still not at a high today. But in general, Tesla is a market leader. If Tesla is very, very strong for the day and it continues to break above resistance, then the rest of the market can continue showing strength as well. Well, very interesting stuff. Wow. I was not expecting a big explosive move to the upside like this. That is why I was hesitant to go long, because I didn't expect them to have this much strength left in the tank. It looks like they did. Nice. This is good strength. Apple basically closed above all of its levels of resistance. And essentially the main problem was Apple was sitting at 151.5, 151.6. Those were key levels of resistance. But with one candle, it blew through everything. So that is very interesting. This is the 1 minute time frame. We're gonna have to go along with 386 stop, seems. Oh, damn, this is not ideal. This is not an ideal position to go long. It makes way more sense to go short with a high day stop, but this is a lot of strength. That is a lot of strength. I was not expecting this. Make another high day. This is crazy. Nice. Wow. Wow. Looks like we missed the longing opportunity at 386. That strength is very, very weird to me. I was not expecting these big pops. That's why I was hesitant to go long. Got the NASDAQ sitting at 289.60 as resistance. Big green candle, new high of day on Tesla. New high of day on Apple. Sitting at resistance. Everything is closing above. That's crazy. This is a lot of strength from the market. We're already at 387. I'm gonna go short 387.1-ish. 387 as a stop on the SPY. We're about like 10 cents away. But it looks like things are going to start slowing down here. This is most likely going to be my last play for the day. 387 as a stop on SPY short. Everything is back to resistance. how many resistance levels are we going to be able to break within a very short amount of time? Let's see. But clearly the momentum is very bullish. This is not a safe play. Wow, everything is continuing to break above resistance. That is crazy. This doesn't look good for our puts. But let's see. Literally 10 cents away. We're not gonna lose crazy amount of money if this doesn't work. But this is a trade. Like, we have to take this trade. We can easily rip to the upside, but everything is sitting right at resistance. We had a crazy move to the upside already. It makes sense for us to take some sort of a put play here. The other large tech stocks, everything, the indices, they're all sitting at resistance. So if this continues moving upwards, then it is what it is. But a trade is a trade. And because the market is so strong, this move is not. I want it to be very aggressive to the downside, but let's see. The puts should be up at about 10% for you guys. You guys should take profits. And basically, if you're holding on to one contract at a time, as soon as you see 10%, you should take profit. The market is very strong. This looks like it's about to break another high of day. This is crazy. This wick. So look, the reason why I say that it's strong is because we wicked below these little support levels. And if this candle, yeah, looks like it's about to make another high of day. It's crazy. So yeah, main thing is make sure you have a 387 stop and you take quick profits, because this is crazy. About to make a new high of day, I think. Everything is back above resistance. Apple made a new high of day. The IWM made a new high of day. The NASDAQ. Yeah, we could go long. All right. All right. If this closes above 387, then obviously looks like it's about to anyway. But this is really, really strong out of the market here. We didn't close above 387. Big wick. Wow. Don't if that was a bull trap, then that was a disgusting bull trap. Because we made a new high of day, wicked, failed to close above 387. So this is setting up to be a really, really disgusting move to the downside, actually. So that would be devastating for bears or for bulls. Everything is holding support, unfortunately, really, really well. if the market ends up falling down here, hindsight is going to be 2020. We're going to be like, wow, we failed to close above 387. We had a huge big wick to the upside. Same exact situation as this. Same exact situation as this candle right here, basically, that we saw earlier in the morning at like 9:50. So we had a big wick above resistance, and red candles afterward. And this level of support is still holding, unfortunately. 386.60 level. Contracts are back up 10%. You guys are only holding one contract. Where essentially, you guys should take some profits. We never closed above 387, but we're holding support, unfortunately, at 386 really, really well. Damn. They're not allowing us to get a big cascading sell event because the market is very, very strong. So we're going to need to break through some levels of support. Like, we're probably going to need to break through 2 levels of support before they allow it to really, really capitulate to the downside. Contracts are up almost 15%. So yeah, a trade is a trade. We had to go short. We saw a really, really amazing opportunity to go short. Multiple different wicks here at resistance. Nice. You guys should be up comfortably on these puts now. You guys should be up very comfortably on these puts now. Okay. Make sure you guys are taking profits and leaving runners. We can easily... So now, Apple is at 152. It can bounce off of this level and make a new high. $386.5 is clearly acting as support right now. If we get a nice break below 386.3... Damn. Yeah, the contracts are up almost 25%. You guys should be good. You guys should be good. Congratulations. We same exact setup as we saw earlier on in the morning. We had to take it. And here we are. It is what it is. Everyone that made money. If you guys are watching the stream, if you guys are watching the live from the For You page, make sure you guys click into the stream. Show some love. We timed the top perfectly. We went short, and the contract shot up about 25-30% depending on when you entered. Congratulations. Congratulations, everybody. So now bears want this to remain below 386.6. I told you guys when I went short, and I said that 387 was going to be a stop loss. We never closed above 387. So therefore, we held on to those shorts. So now, obviously, 386.3-ish area is acting as support. But yeah, overall, this was a nice little topping formation market. People are going long right now with a 386.3 as a stop. So, but yeah, that's most likely going to be my last play for the day. Let's see if we get another good opportunity. But so far we fell right to support, but the market is showing clear weakness, so it's tough to go long here. Contracts are up almost 30%. The puts. You go, I love it. Damn. What a day. Very nice. See, this is what I do, guys. I don't just show my wins. I'm a trader. Sometimes you make small losses, but that's what trading is. No one has 100% success rate. You have to be okay with taking losses, guys. Don't associate your self-esteem. Don't associate your intelligence. Don't associate your self-worth with being correct. Especially about trading. You have to lose in trading. You're going to lose. So, yeah. You have to be okay with losses. And you have to move on. Damn, I really want to go long right now with a 386 stop, but the market is so weak. But this is such a really, really awesome longing opportunity. 386 is a stop loss. We're literally like 20 cents away. Very good risk reward trade, but the momentum is just so cascadingly weak. Like, very, very weak momentum to the downside. But damn, if there was one damn time to go long, it was great. Go long again with a 386.2. Stop. God damn it. Yeah. Oh, thank God. Just break lows. Break below 386 so I don't feel bad about not going long, please. Contracts are up almost 30%. Let's just break below 386. Get a nice break. Come on, come on, come on. It's more weakness, more weakness, more weakness. More and more and more. We're still holding above 386. Damn, they're holding 386 very, very well, unfortunately. Come on, let's break below. Contracts are up 35%. And 386 just wants to hold as support, unfortunately. Momentum is very, very weak. So nah, this is setting up. This is weak. It doesn't make sense to go long, but 386 is such a good level. Let's hold it. The IWM is continuing to show weakness. NASDAQ is not holding support. This Apple is not holding 152. All right, thank God. Please, let's just get a close below 390, 385, or let's get a close below 386, so that we can get stopped out if we did go long. Damn, they're still not closing it. Damn. They wicked it below 386. Green candle. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna rip it up. Apple is above 152. I'm gonna go long 386 as a stop. I'd rather lose on this trade than regret not taking it. Really, really good longing opportunity. 386 has been holding. We wicked below. This is a setup for a rip to the upside. Let's see. It is what it is. I have to go. That's the issue. Damn. Oh, 386. All right, let's just see. 386. If 386 holds, that'd be great. But it is 11 a.m. I didn't realize. Let's get a quick move to the upside. That would be great. This wick was very, very bullish. We had a wick, and now if this candle turns green, this is going to be ridiculously bullish. Many people went short as we had this red move to the downside. So we wicked below these levels of support. That's why we closed very, very green here. So it looks so 386.60 is resistance here on the SPY. It's nice that we went long. Make sure you guys are taking profits. These contracts should be up at least 15% for you guys. I have to leave, but it looks like this can continue going on higher. 386.40 is basically the level that bulls want. And thank God we went long 386, bro. I would have been so upset. Thank goodness. All right, perfect. Yeah, so you guys should be up at least 20-25% on these. Take some profits. Leave runners. Good play. Good play, guys. The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding, mate. We went long at support. Very, very dignified, clean level to go long at. And it's perfect. Some really nice plays today. So yeah, just make sure you guys are holding runners. Now, essentially, so we made a lot of money, right? That's fine. But tomorrow could be very, very interesting. And especially Wednesday. The market is going to be so annoying to trade maybe for the next few days because I mean, let's just see. I'm going to try to be live with you guys on Wednesday and on Friday when Powell is speaking, etc. Wow. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for all the love in the Twitch and the YouTube chat. Thank you, thank you. Oh snap, a bunch of ones. Nice. I didn't even ask for those. Nice. Rocky Roads, I shorted and down 50% on portfolio. How do I recover? Damn. Why do you can't hold for that long? Like, you should not be holding past a certain point. As you enter trades, you have to have a clear cut stop loss. So if the market goes above a certain level, you have to automatically sell. So at this point, I'm not sure if the market can go back lower. You have to be ready for the fact that the market can go to 390 today and you'll potentially lose your entire portfolio, you know? So that's a tough position to be in. But you have to take it as a learning lesson. You should not be down on a scalp. 50% down on your portfolio. That's really bad, but it is what it is, man. You have to take the losses. You have to learn from them. And you're in the right place. Honestly, you're in the right place for that to happen to you. You're around a bunch of other really good traders. And yeah. So it could be much worse. You could be in you could be down 100%. 50%, it's fine. But yeah, I hope everyone made money today. We had some really solid plays. We caught the top. We went long at the bottom twice. We got chopped out a bit with like 2 trades, but then we caught a really nice move to the downside and then a nice move to the upside. So it's pretty good. Good stuff, guys. Tesla is continuing to make new highs. Damn, I really want to go short again. All right, let me stop. But yeah, it's 11:08. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. I hope you guys yeah, also sorry I didn't get to answer any questions. If you guys have any specific questions or anything like that, message me on Instagram and I will respond to those. Also, if you guys are interested, I also have a free Discord server where there are other amazing traders that share their trades and everything live for free as well. We're the only community that does that, and it's really amazing. So I would recommend you guys join the Discord. If you guys, it's a great environment for new people as well as seasoned veterans. So yeah, it's a very, very positive, uplifting environment. No toxicity. It's good vibes. So I would recommend you guys join the Discord. It's in the link of my channel description. I'm just trying to figure out if we should have went short with a 386.80 stop loss. Probably should have went short, but whatever. We'll see. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. That short would have been fire, I think. Anyway, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Thank you guys for showing love, support. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys follow on Twitch. If you guys are watching on Twitch, make sure you guys click the follow button. Follow me on TikTok. Do all that good stuff. And I will be here again tomorrow morning, bright and early. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Take